You can see how to produce artificial stone. We prepare mortar and now we want to pour mortar on the mold. In this production line, you can use both single-phase and three-phase electricity. But now we start vibrating table machine with single-phase electricity. In addition, the sound of this device is very small. We pour mortar on the mold, and mortar must have high pastiness. When vibrating table machine starts to vibrate, the mortar starts to move. Under the vibrating table machine, it must be balanced.